So when it is a high traffic area like a dressing room, you want to have a steamer that is going to take all the punishment that you give it, right? And also, it's really, really well made. The hose is made out of braided. So this is the best part, that the hose is made out of braided fabric that protects the integrity of the cable. You see? So this is not going to break. The other thing that's great is that the button is no frills, so you don't have to worry about that, the electronics breaking, because this is just to start, heat, and start ironing. It's super, super recommended. When you buy these, make sure that this is what you're looking for.